Hi everyone, welcome to How-FixIT. In this video guide, I'll show you how to replace the screen on the Apple Watch. To disassemble the Apple Watch, you'll need the following tools: plastic opening tools, tweezers, glue. I will use B7000 glue due to its high elasticity, anti-vibration, and water-resistant properties. Screen disassembly tool. This tool has a very thin curved metal blade for opening electronic devices with a screen that is difficult to pry with a common plastic tool. I think this is a must-have tool for disassembling all Apple Watch series, because the gap between the screen and the watch body is so thin. Removing the cracked screen, don't forget to wear eye protection. Before you start, turn off the Apple Watch. If your touchscreen is broken and you can't turn off the watch, press and hold both the side button and digital crown simultaneously. Continue holding while the Apple Watch reboots. When you see the Apple logo, release the digital crown and continue holding the side button until the Apple logo disappears. Insert the edge of the curved blade into the thin gap between the display and the watch case. From this position, gradually begin to separate the display. To avoid damaging internal components, try not to push the blade deep inside the watch. For a more successful opening of the watch case, warm up the surface of the display with a regular hairdryer. Carefully fold the screen to the back. Don't worry if you tear off that part of the black foil. This doesn't apply to the mainboard ribbon cable. Now using tweezers, carefully peel off the black tape covering the 3 display ribbon cables. Use a plastic tool to open the locking tabs on the display. The 2 sides of the black tape peeled off. Now, carefully pull the display ribbon cables out of their connectors. In the description, I left a link where to buy the screen for the Apple Watch. Now, let's install the new screen and test it. Before gluing the display to the main housing, test the watch and check all functions. It looks like the watch is working fine. Now you can proceed to the final part of the assembly. Let's move on to gluing the display with the housing. This will restore protection from water and dust. You can use a special adhesive sticker for your Apple Watch or silicone glue. In my opinion, for protection against water and dust, glue is more effective. To fix the display and the main housing, you can use clips or rubber bands. The B7000 glue dries completely after 24 hours, but the minimum surface drying time is 6 minutes. So I recommend waiting at least 45 minutes, after which you can remove excess glue. This repair is complete. You're on How-FixIT, and see you next time.